Hello friends, we were learning various arithmetic operators that are present in Python. Now we will be learning about floor division operator in Python. We use this two forward slash symbol in order to represent floor division operator in Python. Floor division operator will perform division between two numbers and return the closest integer that is less than or equal to the result of the division. Now let us try to understand what does this mean. So when we perform floor division operation between two numbers, first it will perform division between two numbers and it will give the integer that is less than or equal to this number. Now this definition will become more and more clear when we perform floor division operations between two numbers. Now let's perform floor division operation between two numbers. Let's perform 8 floor division 3. Now we will need the number line in order to visualize the floor division. 0 is our origin and the numbers that are present on the right hand side they are positive and the numbers that are present on the left hand side they are negative. Let's perform 8 floor division 3. First we have to perform division between two numbers. So let's divide 8 with 3. When we divide 8 with 3 we will be getting somewhere around 2.66, which will be here 2.6. Now we have to return the closest integer that is less than or equal to this number. The closest integer are 2 and 3. But we have to return the integer that is less than or equal to this number. Now 2 is less than or equal to 2.6. Hence when we perform 8 floor division 3, the result will be 2. Next, let's find out 22 floor division 4. Now, first we have to perform division between two numbers. So, when we divide 22 with 4, we will be getting 5.5, which will be somewhere here. Next, we have to find the integer that is less than or equal to this number. Now, the integer that is less than or equal to 5.5 is 5. Hence, 22 floor division 4, it will be 5. Now let's find out 8 floor division 2. When we have to perform floor division operation between two numbers, first we have to perform division between these two numbers. So let's divide 8 with 2. When we divide 8 with 2, we will be getting 4. Next we have to find the closest integer that is less than or equal to this number. Now the integer that is less than or equal to 4 is 4 itself. Hence 8 floor division 2, it will be 4. Now let's do something very interesting. This time let's perform floor division operation with negative numbers. So let's find out minus 22 floor division 4. So first we have to perform division between two numbers. If we divide minus 22 with 4, we will be getting minus 5.5. Next we have to find the integer that is closer to this number and it has to be less than or equal to this. The integers that are closer to minus 5.5 are minus 6 and minus 5. But now we have to find the integer that is less than or equal to minus 5.5. Minus 6 is less than minus 5.5. Hence minus 22 modulo 4, it will be minus 6. In the number line, when we move towards right hand side, the numbers increases. When we move towards left hand side, the number decreases. Since minus 6 is present on the left hand side of minus 5.5, hence minus 6 is lesser than minus 5.5. And minus 5, it is greater than minus 5.5. We have to find an integer that is less than or equal to this number. Minus 6 is less than minus 5.5. Hence the result, it is minus 6. Now let's write some program in order to understand more about floor division operator. So let's perform 8 floor division 3. First we have to divide 8 with 3. When we divide 8 with 3, we will be getting 2.66. The integer that is less than or equal to 2.66 is 2. Hence, the result of this operation will be 2. Now let's perform floor division operation between 22 and 4. First we have to divide 22 with 4. When we divide 22 with 4, we will be getting 5.5. Now the integer that is less than or equal to 5.5 is 5. Hence the result of this operation will be 5. Now if we perform 22 divided by 4, we will be getting 5.5. Notice the number after the decimal points. But if we perform floor division operation between 22 and 4, we will be getting 5, which is integer type. So oftentimes when we are performing division, we are interested only in the integer part. We do not need the floating point numbers. In that case, we can use floor division operator. Because when we perform floor division operation between two integers, the result will be integer type. Here we are performing floor division operation with numbers. What we can also do is we can create some variables, assign some value to them and perform floor division operation with these variables. So I will create two variables. Suppose dividend, it is storing 8 and divisor, it is storing 4. Next, let's perform floor division operation with these variables. Dividend, floor division, divisor. So I have created two variables, dividend, it is storing 8 and divisor, it is storing 4. Now here we are performing 8 floor division 4. First let's divide 8 with 4. When we divide 8 with 4, we will be getting 2. The integer that is less than or equal to 2 is 2 itself. Hence the result will be 2. See. Let's perform floor division operation between minus 22 and 4. So first let's divide minus 22 with 4. We will be getting minus 5.5. Now the integers that are close to minus 5.5 are minus 6 and minus 5. Now we have to find an integer that is less than or equal to minus 5.5. Minus 6, it is less than minus 5.5. Hence result of this floor division operation between minus 22 and 4, it will be minus 6. Now if we run the program, you can see we are getting minus 6. Now let's perform floor division operation between minus 85 and 6. First let's divide minus 85 with 6. When we divide minus 85 with 6, we will be getting minus 14.1666. Now the integers that are close to minus 14.166 are minus 15 and minus 14. Now we have to find the integer that is less than or equal to minus 14.166. Minus 15, it is less than or equal to minus 14.1666. Hence, the result of floor division operation between minus 85 and 6, it will be minus 15. Now if we execute the program, you can see we are getting minus 15. We can also combine multiple floor division operators together. We can write 68 floor division 10 floor division 2. Here we have used multiple floor division operators together. Now in order to evaluate this expression, since we have same operators, we have to consider operators associativity. In our earlier section, we have discussed about operators precedence and associativity. Associativity of operators tell from which direction we have to evaluate the operators. In Python, the Power operator and the assignment operators, they have associativity from right to left. Rest of the operators that are present in Python, they have associativity from left side towards right side. So we have to evaluate the expression from left to right. Now floor division operator also has associativity from left to right. So we have to evaluate this expression from left to right. First we have to perform this floor division operation and then we can perform this floor division operation. So when we perform 68 floor division 10, we will be getting 6.8. Now the integer that is less than or equal to 6.8 is 6. Hence the result of this floor division operation between 68 and 10, it will be 6. Now let's perform 6 floor division 2. When we divide 6 with 2, we will be getting 3. Now the integer that is less than or equal to 3 is 3. Hence the result will be 3.